Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning how to join two granny squares. There are different ways to join a granny square. Today I will show you one of the easiest method. So let's go to the video directly. Take a tapestry needle and cut the yarn according to the size of your granny square. I would suggest to count the stitches before you start. So we will be doing in the back loops only, not the front loop, in the back loops. Okay, here we will be starting here. Okay, I will show you, you will understand when I'm doing this. Alright, here I'm starting in the back loops, and I would suggest to keep a little bit of yarn to weave the ends. Alright, we have inserted over here. Now in the second stitch, that means in the back loops, take this and keep this is inside so that it will be easy. Now the second one, trust the process. This is one of the easiest method to join two granny squares. See, when I open this, it's giving a nice design as well. So we need to complete till here, and I will join with you when I complete. That's how I completed joining my granny squares. It gives a neat design, so you can join granny squares in this easy way. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. I will come up with more tutorial